If you are trying to decide whether information technology is the right career path for you as a non-technical student, but you are unsure which role actually fits your background or feels realistic to start with, this video will help you understand that decision clearly and avoid choosing the wrong direction early. These skills are commonly used across support teams, operations environments, basic cloud systems, and user-facing technical roles inside real companies where communication and problem-solving matter just as much as technical knowledge. In this video, I will explain how this path works, who it is best suited for, what career options it leads to, and what beginners should realistically expect before choosing it. Many beginners get confused because the internet often highlights programming-heavy roles, making it seem like information technology is only for people with coding backgrounds. At the same time, some advice says anyone can enter the field without clearly explaining what real jobs actually involve. This confusion leads to random decisions and slow progress. So what does this really mean? The best information technology roles for non-technical students are not about avoiding learning. They are about starting with roles that focus on systems, user support, and real workplace problem solving instead of jumping straight into complex coding. In the overall information technology career structure, these roles sit at the entry level. They help you understand how systems work, how companies use technology, and how everyday technical issues are handled. People choose this path because it allows them to enter the industry without deep programming knowledge, while still building practical experience. These roles connect to skills like communication, troubleshooting, basic networking understanding, operating system familiarity, and tool-based workflows rather than heavy coding. One important question many learners ask at this stage is whether this path is strong enough on its own or whether it works better when combined with certifications or structured courses. Career directions related to this path can include technical support specialist, information technology support analyst, system support technician, junior network support role. These are real roles where teams help users maintain systems and keep operations running smoothly. In a moment, I will explain what kind of learners benefit the most from choosing this direction, and who should probably consider an alternative path instead. Many beginners also explore structured beginner-friendly courses in this area to understand the roadmap more clearly before committing to a learning direction. This path is best suited for learners from non-technical backgrounds who are comfortable communicating and prefer learning step by step. It may not be ideal for learners who already enjoy deep coding algorithms or advanced system design, because those paths require a different starting point. The difficulty level is moderate. You will need to learn new concepts, but you do not need advanced mathematics or programming in the beginning. Most learners take a few months to build confidence with consistent practice. This path connects naturally with certifications because they help structure your learning and validate your skills early. Most learners who move forward in this direction usually start with one structured certification or guided learning track to build confidence step by step. Structured learning is usually more effective than random tutorials because career skills develop faster when the learning order is clear and connected. Over time, this path can lead toward more advanced roles in cloud support, cybersecurity operations, or system administration as your foundation becomes stronger. This direction is especially useful for learners who want a structured starting point before choosing advanced certifications later. You can find some helpful beginner-friendly learning resources related to this path in the description if you want to explore how people usually get started step by step.